My bedroom had been neglected, so I decided to make it some nightstands. I took a piece of 1 by 12 in the center and a piece of 1 by 4 on either side, and then I measured them to 24 inches long and then cut them down to size. I cut these at home with a circular saw, but if you don't have a saw or you don't want to deal with getting one, you could always just go to Home Depot or Lowe's and they will cut it for you. Now on these smaller pieces of wood, I am drilling a 1/2 inch hole onto either end, and this is where the rope is going to go. Now to put this piece together. I'm using tape to stabilize everything. And then I'm taking some random project wood and putting it on the bottom and nailing it in. And now for the stain. I am going in with a coffee gel stain, and you can be as neat or as messy with it as you want. It all depends on personal taste. I wanted it to look like it was really rustic, like it had been rained on, so I went really blotchy with it. But if you want it to be neater and more modern, I would go in with a preconditioner. Then I took blue painter's tape, measured to be the length between the holes, put it on the ceiling where I knew I wanted it to be, and then I screwed in the hooks. Then I thread the rope through the holes and gave it a knot. And that creates this V shape. Then I took another piece of rope and tied it to the V shape, and then I tied it to the hook on the ceiling. Then I got a command strip and connected it to the back of the nightstand and connected that to the wall. And that is it. The bedroom is so much better. With all of the wood, it's really warm and inviting. I hope this inspires you not only to tackle your bedroom, but to maybe try an unconventional nightstand. I'll see you in my next video.